Good evening, everyone.
Yeah, good morning. Good evening, guys.
What's your name, sir?
Right now, Pratirabit at 1989.
Where are you from?
Pondicherry.
Pondicherry in Tamil Nadu.
Yeah, nearby Chennai and Kadalur. Dindivanam.
How do you came in Nepal?
Through bicycle.
Through bicycle.
More than 50 days. Yeah. Please show my bicycle. This is my hero. Heroine.
This is hero. Look at that. This man's came in Pondicherry, Nepal, in the state of Chennai.
Not
What
Chennai,
is the
it's
purpose
Sorry?
you came in Nepal's in borders area?
Yeah. I doesn't like to enter Nepal. I like to go Himalaya.
Yeah.
But unfortunately, the system of India earning money through Hinduism.
Ji.
Due to that, I can't enter Himalaya.
Yeah.
Most of them are asking, why I am the one come from bicycle. I like to enter Manasarovar, but they told more than 15,000 rupees. Then
Okay.
after you can't reach. It's good.
First-
But there is a way to reach through bicycle via Manasarovar.
Oh.
Then after by walking. But the system of India never give. Why? Trekking, then only you see in Himalaya.
Oh.
And also,
You seen Himalayas,
no, bhaiya, why I am?
but why?
Hey, that is a one kind of me. What I am? Why you take video? Someone come from Chennai
Yeah.
through North India.
North India.
Look like the same. If I reach Himalaya through bicycle,
Ji.
I got one name. Through that name, I put fight against the Indian. That means Indian system. That is not good. Now I am literature, but I am living beggar life. It's good. Tell me, bhaiya.
First of all, what is the distance between Pondicherry and Nepal?
Maybe around 3,000 kilometers.
Pondicherry to Kathmandu.
More than 2,500 or 3,000, bhaiya.
What?
2,500 or 3,000 kilometers.
Oh. You know Bhojpuri language?
No, bhaiya. Only Tamil English because in Tamil Nadu there is a education system in Tamil and Hindi. English, not Hindi.
You can say Tamil language.
Yeah, but you doesn't know Tamil. That's why I give respect for English.
Please speak some
Some
Tamil
best-
language.
You just ask and tell in Tamil.
You first of all you speak.
Vadakkam.
I respect this language. This is the
Anevar-
film
Anevar-
Chennai
Malayalam
Express.
culture.
Chennai Express.
Your views on Tamil Nadu? There is no Hindi allowed.
Hey, bhaiya. Instead of Hindi, I like to give respect for Marathi, Gujarati, any languages. Okay. Then you tell why I give respect for Hindi. English is a communication language all over the world, not only in India. Okay. Then you give respect for Hindi, but I am not give.
Okay, first of all,
Indian give Hindi.
how do you came in Bihar? How do you feel to Bihar?
No, bhaiya, it's not good.
Not good.
Yeah,
Bihari persons good see or not?
that is half of them.
You like litti chokha?
That means
Litti
There is a
chokha, the
famous
famous
dish
dish
of
of Bihar.
repeat it again.
You like litti chokha?
I am the one without money. I am entire in Nepal. Okay.
Okay.
If someone give dharma, I can eat. But unfortunately, I can't eat your famous food.
देख सकते हैं आप लोग ये ट्रेवल करके लगभग पौंडीचेरी चेन्नई से और यहाँ आपका नेपाल में आए हुए हैं और उसके बाद ये इंडियन सिस्टम के खिलाफ हैं. इंडियन सिस्टम्स इनको अलाउ नहीं कर रहा है जाने के लिए, इसलिए इनको हिंदी नहीं आता है, भोजपुरी लैंग्वेज नहीं आता है. ये स्पीक इंग्लिश में स्पीक कर सकते हैं, तमिल में स्पीक कर सकते हैं. वाई डू यू नॉट लाइक टू बिहारी पर्सन्स? प्लीज स्पीक.
No, bhaiya. I am got some friends from Bihar.
या
But after I am relieving, they are also living.
लिविंग.
Good. I never contact that person.
How much days in stay in Bihar, in Nepal?
I doesn't calculate by January 14th. I started. January 14th.
January 14th.
Yeah.
Oh,
You tell the reason.
Holi is the festival of India.
Hey, bhaiya, holy. You choose this one. If you festival, you can drink, you can drag. you
No,
can
no,
enjoy.
no, 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 no.
Hey, I seen most of them. Okay, you don't lie. You need that means what entertainment. Due to that only you pick up the festival. Okay, it's good or not?
You second IIT Baba.
Sorry.
You second IIT Baba.
Hey, no. That guy drug. I am not. There is no smoking,
Yeah.
no drug, No drinking, anything.
You look like a IIT Baba face.
I never seen that guy.
Yeah.
I never seen that guy.
You go Kumbh, Uttar Pradesh.
No, bhaiya.
Why are you not going to?
Hey, bhaiya, Prayagraj, not only Kumbh, not virtual.
Yeah.
Any time, any day, virtual. Okay?
Yeah.
Now also I like to go Prayagraj. Hey, bhaiya, Kumbh, it's also created to earn money.
Yeah.
I know that. Then why I give?
You like Bhojpuri songs?
I can't hear. This is a song.
Yeah, Bhojpuri songs.
This is song.
This is holy. And you like Bhojpuri songs?
I never hear that, bhaiya. If
You
hear
know,
that-
you know Pawan Singh's Kesari Lal Yadav?
No. I can't hear, bhaiya.
But I know some South hero, Pawan Kalyan, Ravi Tejas, and lots of them.
I doesn't know, bhaiya.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Thank you.